guys, welcome back to eVivid Artistry. My name is Emily Artist, and today we're just gonna kind of do a little bit more of like a simple, colorful look that honestly I think anybody can do. And it's just going to be using some orangey shades and some blue colors as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right in. So I pulled my hair back. We're just gonna be doing my eyebrows and prepping my eyelids for the eyeshadow off camera. So now I'm just going to be jumping into the Sephora Pro editorial palette and taking these two orangey shades, mixing them together, and then popping them in my crease. So I'm focusing it mostly on the outer corner, and I'm blending it directly into my crease, but then I'm also blending it up and toward my eyebrow. I tried to blend it with no product, but then I felt like I needed another color, so I jumped into the Soft Glam palette and grabbed the color Orange Soda just to give myself a little bit more of a gradient. I felt like it made a nicer transition. I'm now just going to be jumping into the Jouer Ultra Foil palette and taking the color Willow on my finger, and I'm just placing that on the lid and blending it up into the crease. I'm now taking the Zulu palette again, and I'm just taking that orangey shade and placing that on the outer corner. Now that the eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a wing liner using the Morphe eyeliner in the color Ink. I'm now taking the Lancome Teint Idole Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 90 just to clean that up and make it nice and sharp. Now with the eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera. So now I'm just going to be jumping into the bronzer from Sephora collection in the color Los Cabos, and I'm just placing that on my forehead, cheeks, and jawline. Now I'm taking the Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm taking that brownish shade, the second to darkest shade in the palette, and I'm placing that on top of the first bronzer just to give it more warmth. I'm now taking the Milani blush in the color Luminoso and placing that on my cheeks. I really love this blush when it comes to orangey looks. I'm now jumping into the Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette and using the shade Kitty Cat, and I'm placing that on the highest points of my face. Now I'm jumping into the Jeffree Star Skin Frost and Ice Cold and placing that on the highest points of my face as well. I'm now jumping back into the Zulu palette, and I'm just going to be taking that blue shade and just running that on my lower lash line. I love it because it adds a pop of color. You don't have to use a blue if you don't want to. You could definitely stick with the orange shades that we did earlier, but I just wanted to add a pop of color and interest. And that's the completed eye look. So I'm just going to do my lashes and lips off camera. And there's the completed look, you guys. I'm absolutely obsessed with this look. I love it because it's so simple, but the colors contrast so nicely. It's my favorite thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe and share with all your friends and family. It really does help me out a lot. I hope you guys love this video. Let me know what you want to see next. and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!